Hello, another video. Today we're playing Boiled 1. I have no idea what this... Bro, what? Okay, so use your thumb. Your goal is simple. Survive. Think you can do that? I doubt it. What? If you're trying to doubt me, then I don't really... Huh? Okay, I don't know what was that. What? I don't want to play this game. I am scared.
This anime was just nominated for...
I could just grab the remote, but I can't even use it. Yep. So no. I think I'm gonna go back to sleep now.